It's a zither. Hello. Oh,
that is amazing.
No idea what this crazy thing is. Maybe a spinning wheel. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel.
Welcome to the channel. I am Francesco.
And I'm Tammy.
Tammy.
Can you say
Francesco.
welcome to everybody in Italian?
Benvenuti a tutti, benvenuti in Italia. Siamo andati, no scherzavo, in English.
In English.
I hope you don't blame for my English that is not so good Tammy, subscribe button everywhere. Stop, I will not say anymore. We decided to went to Torino and we take the car and we arrived in Torino in the famous market Balloon.
Gran Balon?
Gran Balon, scusate, Gran Balon.
Gran Balon, see?
Enjoy the video, enjoy the channel and welcome to Italy. Thank you very much.
Let's just start shopping. I'll talk while we're shopping and afterwards I'll show you what we bought, or should I say what Francesco bought. In addition to this wonderful market, Torino is also famous for many things. It's wonderful and elegant architecture, it's chocolate, the automobile industry, Fiat is based here, and great museums. Definitely check out Torino while you're here for this little blue bar cart is so cute. It's so cute. The wheels are also cute. I just like the blue and I like all the little places to put all your bottles. Very cute.
Stewardess.
Oh, nice. It's very golfish. These look like golf clubs on the handles. It's cute. It's 2,400. That's very cute. Wow. These are beautiful. The mother of pearl, 170. These are beautiful. What's this? 75. Oh, that's very cute. That's very cute. Oh, so many interesting things here. Pink. Nice. I have no idea what this crazy thing is. Maybe a spinning wheel. Squirrel. Cute. Ooh, this one's interesting. Wow. That is 28. Wow, nice. He's a little frightening. Little frightening. For sure, you're wondering right about now, what's so different between this Torino market and the market in Milan on Navigli? Few differences. The Navigli Market has, I would say, some more vendors. However, in Torino, a lot of the vendors are backed up by their antique shops. Like their table is directly in front of their antique shop. So you can get an idea of what's there and go in and explore further. You can be there for many, many hours. We're going into one of these antique shops to show you around and you can meet the owner and get a feel for it. She's really nice. But some of these shops can be 3 floors with furniture, paintings, you name it, it's there at all different quality levels and price levels. But if you're looking for furniture, especially antique furniture, this would be the market for you. You have a lot of choices in these shops. Oh, beautiful. Oh, that's beautiful.
And this I thought you might actually like.
I do. Marble tops are like. Buongiorno. This is this wonderful shop. Would you like to be in the video, Michaela?
Yeah.
Michaela. This is Michaela's wonderful shop. Furniture and small things also. It's amazing. And great chandeliers.
Questo mobile che ha la cosa che viene fuori, che tipo di mobile era? Perché
I love the boxes.
come curiosità questo qua che ha...
Questi sono tavolini.
Questo?
No.
Questo.
Sì,
It's
in
It's
realtà
what?
table.
It's a work table.
Work table.
mettevano il gomitolo, mettevano il
I was
richiamo.
making tool, lavoro specifico per ricamo.
Very
Assolutamente,
cute.
erano tavoli da donna.
Was from a woman table.
Oh, a women's work. For sewing? Cucitura? Oh, I love
I never
this.
saw something like
I never did either. Does that go down, up? It's for sewing.
that.
That's
Oh,
amazing.
That is amazing.
That's amazing.
I never saw.
And there's, wow.
Questi sono tipicamente italiani e francesi. Anzi, c'è una produzione di tavolini per lavoro
Fantastica.
francesi. Avevano, poi la Francia.
Era meglio gli italiani o i francesi? I francesi. The French guy was
Se lei mi
better
chiede,
to produce
yeah.
those kind of...
Se lei mi chiede meglio l'Italia e la Francia, le dico
Oh,
l'Italia.
that's
Se i francesi
beautiful.
italiani, direi francesi.
French. We'll be happy,
This one.
Andre, my friend.
Andre would be very happy. He's
To know
French.
that
See, this would be a beautiful
desk
kitchen
work table
thing.
was better French.
Say.
This was
Oh,
that is
fantastic.
amazing.
That's fantastic.
That is
Oh, with a
amazing.
mirror and everything. Nice.
Poi ci sono i tavolini da gioco che sono fantastici. I tavolini da gioco li trovo.
Oh, la scacchiera.
Questo era proprio un tavolino da gioco. Sempre
Game
francese.
table for everything.
Oh,
Nice.
wow.
Square. Love
Li
it.
adoro, sì, li adoro.
That is beautiful.
Carte e
Carte,
scacchiere.
sì, esatto.
Wow.
Queste li usavano proprio.
Perché così
Si
non,
mettevano,
perché così non potrebbe essere.
nasceva sì, veniva interpretata dalla G15. È un G15 in transizione al G16. Perché ha dei particolari tipici del G15, ma anche dei XXI anno. Quindi siamo 1850 1840.
Very cute. With the inlay. Hello. If you're enjoying this video and you'd like to see more antiquing and thrifting videos, please, lots of things you could do. Hit the like button, leave us a comment, share with your friends, and definitely hit the subscribe button. We appreciate all of that, we really do, and it helps the channel to grow so we can share all of this with more people who might enjoy it as well.
Questo era quello... Ah, sì, ho capito, era quello con genere bianco. Sì, ecco, era quello lì.
Who else is glad that summer is finally over this year? I'm so happy about this. This day was definitely one of the hottest days of the summer. Mid-August in Torino at an antiques market.
E poi nel 1930 tutto restaurato, radica di noi, perfetto.
So pretty. What is this? Nice. Apparently, Francesco bought more ships. Wood. You got like
€5 each.
€5 each one. You make me tired. The door. What door? Adorable.
Record box player.
Yeah. Nice. So cute. It's very cute. Very cute. Okay. Ooh, this vanity.
Premiere and guarda cosa c'era dentro il libro di yoga.
It's a zither. Nice. Don't know what that is. Let's see. Wow. Cute. Marbles. Nice.
Andre. Andre.
$90. So cute. Bells. Oh, it's broken. These are cute. Ding, ding, ding. Ding, ding. Oh, that's pretty. Nice. Dragon. Dragon. Hi, dragon. Wow. He's got big feet. What's this? It's beautiful. Beautiful art. Scales. Take them all. Beautiful. Pretty. Those little hankies. Thin. Very cute.
€1 l'uno quello.
Scusi?
€1 l'uno.
Ah, €1 each. Grazie.
Sono cose importanti.
Very
Ho
cute.
detto alla signora se le interessava qualcosa, le dicevo il prezzo.
Okay, grazie. She said if we're interested in something, she'll tell us the price. These are cute. Everything's cute.
Posso dare il prezzo?
Ah. So much going on. It's very cool. Very cool.
Like this one. This and this.
Like that? Okay.
We have a four like that.
So many things. What a great market. I'm so glad that we went, even though it was scorching hot. Now, who bought some stuff? Francesco. Not me, just Francesco.
Immediately, like I arrived, I found the ship that take me on board.
I'm
And
shocked.
and I showed to them and said, no, stop ship. I thought, yes,
No more
yes, ship. So the ships now are in the back of the bedroom desk,
On the
where
desk.
we have a desk.
Yes.
And each time that I go and pass at the desk, I thought, wow, this is amazing. It's like to be on that ship each time, walking. Just walking through is like to be on one of that ships. So
Well, there are so many.
so many, see,
There's so many ships.
so many.
I-
Those ships everywhere.
We can't fit any more ships in the apartment.
No, we
We
can't.
cannot.
Each,
We can.
each. No. So we decided I decided to take that, and then Tammy start her movie, and I look in the impossible road where no one goes because is strange to go in that way, and I found a marvelous, wonderful litografia a colori of Michele Cascella.
Lithograph of Michele Cascella.
Sì, Michel Cascella, because he
Sì.
was in the period
Michel
that he was living in Paris,
See?
and immediately I bought, and I am in love, and now is displayed on the wall. Thank you for shopping with us today.
Yes, thank you so much for shopping with us today.
Channel, I don't know where is button.
It'll be here.
No, fix up on the sky, it's more cute. Up
Yeah, on the
sky.
scale,
Oh,
on the
there,
ladder.
on the-
Okay, we'll fix it up here.
See,
But
okay.
that is the playlist, and where you can find lots more videos like this one.
See, and go to Torino to see Gran Balon.
Yes.
Great market.